First.
Opo, Your Honor.
No!
Also submitted ng April
Just for confirmation, Madam Chair, clarification. May I ask Agent John Mark Manilo, ano ang mga dokumento binigay mo at confirm kung meron ba affidavit of investigation at mga annexes nito ang pinadala mo sa Committee on Justice?
Na!
Yes, Your Honor. It contains affidavit of investigation, affidavit of authentication, and annexes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Base din sa Part 2, Paragraph 3.
Backpack.
Na yan.
Kapo.
Can I confirm na that NBI was ordered by the Department of Justice to conduct an investigation in the threat made by the Vice President against the life of the President?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ilan kayong nagsagawa nitong investigation?
Apat, Your Honor.
Tama din ba, for clarification, na ang NBI ay nagsagawa ng task force o isang special team para gawin itong investigasyon na ito?
Yes, Your Honor.
At can I also confirm, based sa paragraph 2, paragraph 2, affidavit of investigation, annex A, affidavit of authentication, nag-issue ang Presidential Communication Office ng statement na ni-refer mismo ng Executive Secretary ang banta sa buhay ng Pangulo sa Presidential Security Command para magsagawa din sila ng sarili nilang aksyon at investigasyon.
No.
Yes, Your Honor.
Pwede ba naming malaman kung nagsagawa nga sila,
No.
kung alam nyo, at kung anong estado nitong investigasyon ng Presidential
No.
Security Command?
Based po sa PSC, nagsagawa po sila, pero hindi po nila ma-disclose sa atin
No.
ang hakbang po na ginawa nila for the security of the President.
Madam Chairman, I reserve my
Yes.
right to ask further questions in the court.
Stop.
No.
No.
With regard to the threats made by the Vice President on the life of the President. Thank you.
We know the reservation of the Honorable Defensor. With that, we recognize the next Justice Member to raise clarificatory questions. The Honorable Percy Sindel.
No.
Thank you very much, Madam Chair. May we request our Secretary to please prepare the clip of the Vice President that was recorded here in the premises of the House that is the subject of this ground of the complaint. Can we play the video, please?
You are requesting for the video of the Vice President taken inside the premises of the House of Representatives. May we know the exact date of this video?
This video was the video during the early morning of 23 November 2024 when she called a press conference with members of the media through a Zoom call.
Okay.
With that, we direct the, I believe that this was produced by the NBI as well.
I can go in now.
Director Iba, is this video being asked by the Honorable Secretary to be part of those submitted last April 14?
Is part of the submission based on the subpoena issued by USO. And also we able to authenticate those videos that we submitted to the
So this video has been authenticated already by the NBI. With that, we direct the COMSEC to the Secretariat to play the video of the Vice President taken inside the premises on November 23, 2024.
No.
Yung lahat. Martin Romualdez, Lisa Marcos, Bongbong Marcos.
Madam Chair, can we begin the video again because the audio was not clear?
Please replay.
No.
Please max the volume.
Ang ina ninyong lahat. Martin Romualdez, Lisa Marcos, Bongbong Marcos. Huwag kang mag-alala, ma'am, sa security ko. Kasi may kinausap na ako na tao. Sinabi ko sa kanya, kapag pinatay ako, patayin mo si BBM, si Lisa Araneta, at si Martin Romualdez. No joke. No joke. Nagdiling na ako, ma'am.
What?
Pagpatay ako, sabi ko, huwag ka tumigil na hanggang hindi mo mapatay sila. And then he said yes.
Honorable Sandanya?
Maraming salamat, Madam Chair. I'd like now to ask some questions to the NBI. Gusto ko po magtanong sa inyo tungkol po sa inyong affidavit of investigation. Particularly, I'm referring to page 28. Inyong pong affidavit of investigation. Nabanggit po dyan kasi yung inciting to sedition.
I think.
Baka pwede pong very quickly lang, in layman's terms, ano po ba ang elements ng crime na inciting to sedition?
NBI, may answer?
Our legal officer during that time is Attorney Intel. She
Yeah.
will address that.
What is the name of the legal officer, Director Matibag?
Attorney Intel Malika.
Attorney Intel. Attorney Intel, you are recognized.
What the?
What is that, Director?
Stop.
Intel.
Attorney Yentel is recognized.
Attorney Yentel, Madam Chair, the question for the NBI which will be answered by Attorney Yentel is, mention po dun sa page 28 na ating affidavit, yung inciting to sedition. Para lang po matulungan din yung ating po mga kababayan na nanonood sa atin ngayon, ano po ba ang elements ng inciting to sedition?
Good afternoon, Madam Chair, the members of the committee.
Organized
Stated
countdown.
in the affidavit of investigation
Hello.
prepared by the National
Pag nakita ka ni Papa, bahala ka dyan. Kanina pa ako, ano. Bahala ka mas magulo.
The offender does not take direct part in the crime